Welcome back and thank you for staying with Checkpoint. Now, as the National Mashujaa Day celebration was marked in Kwale, Kenyans from other regions also celebrated in their respective counties. A section of leaders weighed in on the impeachment and appointment debate on the office of Deputy President, calling for sobriety and tolerance among Kenyans. Kericho Governor Eric Mutai, who was saved by the Senate, came face-to-face with ward reps who impeached him 2 weeks ago and asked them for forgiveness. Our reporter Ken Gashui has this and more from the counties. As the National Mashujaa Day celebrations were marked in Kwale County, governors led Kenyans in their respective counties in marking the day. A section of the county leaders used the opportunity to call for sobriety and tolerance among Kenyans during the ongoing impeachment and appointment debate on the office of the Deputy President.
Nitaomba amani kwa nchi hii. Si amani kwa nchi hii. That was a political process. Na yule ametolewa ofisi accept hayuko kwa ofisi kwa sababu hawa kinatindi wana nguvu ya mwananchi. Sio?
Kericho Governor Dr. Eric Mutai and ward representatives who impeached him 2 weeks ago before the Senate saved him shared the same podium on Sunday, where he took the opportunity to ask for their forgiveness as Kipkelionist MP Joseph Cherorot vowed to mediate between them.
Wenye walisimama na mimi, nataka niseme asante na niseme Mungu abariki. Vile vile, to my 31 MCAs, as the father of this county, as seat given by the Lord, not by my effort, I invite you that you also walk to me.
I want to tell you, na wale wengine wote, kwamba put your house in order. Ili tupate kuwa na county ambaye iko na umoja, ambayo kila mtu anafurahia.
West Pokot Governor Simon Kachapin led the county in marking the day, where he and the county commissioner Halif Abdullahi called for unity among leaders to realize development and bring insecurity to an end in the county and the volatile Kerio Valley.
There is beauty in diversity. Kabila zote zile Mungu alitupatia, tukifanya kazi, tufanye biashara pamoja, hii nchi itaenda mbele. Lakini wale wanaendesha mambo ya ukabila pia hukumu yao iko dunia hii.
For the last 6 months, we have managed to silence the gangs. We have deployed in the county a total of 235 national police reservists.
In Migori County, community health promoters who are key pillars in the access to primary health care were celebrated as heroes during the county's Mashujaa Day feat led by Governor Ochilo Ayako.
You do not need to be as large as Nelson Mandela or Professor Wangari Maathai, but we recognize your humble contribution. We celebrate you today.
Other governors used the opportunity to highlight the milestones made by the administration in the various sectors.
This year alone, we have upgraded Mutiambwa, Emali, Chambeke, and Nongoli from level 3 to 4. This upgrade brings increase in staff, modern equipment, new surgical equipment, amongst other things, to handle complex and effectively managed referrals from dispensaries and other facilities.
Kinga Shuhi, KTN News.
Now, the government has been called upon to honor its long overdue promises to former freedom fighters in order to earn their blessings. Speaking during